The Paris Plan. Bonjour and bienvenue to the Paris Plan. I'm very excited today because I'm at the famous Alain Ducasse Cooking School. I've never done a cooking class in my life, but love to cook. So I'm very excited to learn from the chef Luca. They have pastry courses, chocolate courses, bread courses, but today we're making lunch. What are we making? I don't know yet. Come find out.
Today you're gonna realize chicken supreme with albufera sauce and les légumes au pot. It's mean vegetables with stock. Messieurs, dames, it's time to go. Let's start the cooking class. Please welcome. The idea of the cooking class, our milestone is sharing is caring. So we're gonna share all the steps of the recipe. Before starting, we need some energy, okay? So we already prepared for you a little breakfast, a little welcome breakfast. You can put on the table if you want. Now I'm feeling comfortable, feel like home. The only things that we already prepared before the cooking class is a almighty chicken stock, okay? So we always work with chicken stock for the 99% of the cooking class. That doesn't mean it's really important in Alain Ducasse kitchen. Kitchen is about details. This is one of big details, okay? The cooking is not in the kitchen, doesn't start in the kitchen, start at the market. When you choose your vegetable, when you choose your ingredients, your food, okay? I need all your attention because I will explain you how to create the sauce. Technically, you have as you can say, progress to create a sauce. First of all, you will start with the fond, stock. After the stock, with the stock, you can prepare what we call jus, okay? With the jus, you can create a sauce, okay? So if you need the sauce, normally, in right way to prepare a sauce, you need the jus, you need to prepare the stock. So that's why all start from here. Okay? What sauce is? A sides to garnish your plate, giving taste. Okay? And technically, it's a liquid, just a bit thickening. Okay? At Alain Ducasse, we always cook at 99% of times with olive oil. I don't know if you know about Alain Ducasse. You already know about him. Okay, French chef, many restaurants, many Michelin stars. Well known right now by naturalité. Okay, it doesn't mean reduce the protein today, but in generally, and take care about vegetables, the production, the seasonal. Okay. Alain Ducasse is French chef, but it's look about the kitchen is look throughout the Mediterranean Sea. From the chef, he starts from the French Riviera, going to Italy, post-rock, Lebanon, Greece, North Africa. So we have a large view of the sea, Mediterranean. We're gonna use olive oil, from Italy. Okay, this is special blend for Alain Ducasse. It's coming from Arma di Taggia. It's 20-25 kilometers away from Monte Carlo, from Monaco. Okay, and the good story about this olive oil is that about the chef going to check for olive oil to his Michelin, 3 Michelin star restaurant in Monaco, Les Louis XV, and he said to the guys, Marco, I need olive oil for my restaurant. Okay, you need to create olive oil. So they create special blend of olive oil, and you know what? The chef tastes the oil and say, you know, it's really good. Now you will work for all Alain Ducasse restaurant, and he produced Terre Bormane, the olive oil for all Alain Ducasse restaurant. Okay, that's the best.
Must be good.
So we're gonna use olive oil one by one. Let's go, Ruby. Two other main ingredients of Alain Ducasse. That's going to create the three ingredients of Alain Ducasse: pink garlic and thyme. That's what we need, guys. Okay? Stock from one ladle on the side, because you are creating the ADN of the jus. All the taste is now. Wow, nice.
Oh,
now,
the butter.
The butter on the chicken. And put a bit of pepper. Chicken stock. A little bit. Tap. Shallot. Chicken jus gonna help your sauce.
Oh gosh, it's so strong.
Truffle. One. Two. Mighty truffle. Allez, prenez, take the plates with you. Follow me.
Oh, that was great. Enjoying a delicious lunch in Paris is one thing, but cooking it yourself with help from a professional Alain Ducasse chef made it especially tasty, particularly the sauce.
Perfect. Enjoy.
I also made some new friends, Nicole from the Philippines and Clémence from France. We felt like a real team in the kitchen as we followed the instructions while having fun. We got to know each other even more over our meal and exchanged contacts. After lunch, Simone from the school told us that there's 400 courses offered here in Paris in French and English in different formulas. Half day like ours, but also full day and longer courses. You can make individual or group bookings, and there's various kitchens, spaces, and themes. such as Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, and chocolate. I'm definitely going to sign up for that one. So let us know if you want us to take you along. In the meantime, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and cook. A bientôt.